Once, in a calm pond, a mother frog laid many tiny eggs. These eggs, called Frogspawn, floated together in a jelly-like cluster. Each egg was a small, dark speck, holding the promise of new life. After a few days, something amazing began to happen inside the eggs. Tiny embryos started to grow, slowly taking shape within their protective shells. Soon, the eggs hatched and out came little tadpoles. Tadpoles spent their days munching on algae and other plant matter in the pond. First, tiny back legs started to sprout from their bodies. These little limbs were small at first, but they quickly grew longer and more defined. The tadpoles used their new legs to push themselves through the water. Now, the tadpoles had 4 legs, but they still had their long tails. They were starting to look more like miniature frogs, but not quite yet. Their bodies were also changing, becoming more rounded and frog-like. Meanwhile, their long tails began to shrink, getting shorter and shorter. Eventually, the tail disappeared completely, leaving behind a small, plump body. At this stage, the tadpole had fully transformed into a young froglet. The froglet was now ready to leave the water and explore the land. It still stayed close to the pond, its first home, but ventured onto lily pads. The froglet's diet also changed. It started eating insects and small bugs. It learned to hop and jump, using its powerful new legs to move around. Over time, the froglet continued to grow, becoming a fully adult frog. The adult frog was a master of both land and water, a true amphibian. It could swim gracefully in the pond and hop nimbly on the shore. And so, the cycle continued as the adult frog would one day lay its own eggs, from a tiny egg to a swimming tadpole, then a froglet, and finally, a frog. It's a wonderful journey of growth and transformation in nature. Each stage is important, leading to the amazing creature we call a frog. The life cycle of a frog is a beautiful example of change and new beginnings.